Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and you're always smiling. So me and Judah and I are going to Montego Bay right now. I wouldn't say probably for an adventure because I think for those of you who've been on my live, you guys know that my grandma is like really sick at the moment. She's been in the hospital for like 2 weeks, or a little bit more, so yeah, I'm gonna go down there to go look for her. Also, I'm gonna help my mom with beekeeping. I've never helped her with her hives before, so that's gonna be exciting. And then, you know, the fall off. I don't like going to hospitals, guys. I really don't. I think it's just a place that's just like super heavy, but it's me. The best part about life, like, you have to take positivity out of stuff, and I'm just happy that I could, you know, be able to go down there and just go look for her. I have that possibility. Some persons are like in the US and they have sick family down here and they just can't afford the plane ticket out. So but anyway guys, waiting on Judah. So the time is now 6:29 a.m. in the morning because I want to get down pretty early. Yeah. Captain, yeah? Shake you, warrior. Guys, you would have put on music, say it's supposed to keep you company. Sleep more and sleep on them songs. I think this might be my mom's bees. Quite a few of them on this plant. Yeah guys, so we reach, you know, so normally grandma is up on the stairs just about I look out watch now there right now, you see me? Yeah, I'm going right now. I look for the fabs. You see me?
Hey, what's up? So early to leave out? What time will you leave out? I think Steven's going to leave out 6 o'clock. Hey, Steven?
Oh, God.
He's stressing me out. Hey?
As you come, you have to find one bed in your gun, money. You have to find one bed.
Yes, Stephen, fella.
She's on peace. Love her sleep. Love her sleep.
Oh, no.
No grandma up on the bed, you see me? Can't wait for coming, so go back. At hospital and see which part you're there. Yo, set away guys. Not gonna lie up there, so probably like, yo, cause even when I watch the food vlogs and stuff on you guys, whatever, sometime, you know, like probably couple weeks ago, never 200, like I swear. Just I think about it, so. But anyway. Back at it again with that nice mango.
Back in Brazil.
So, the neighbors in, you know, I'm a Brazilian family. My neighbor have a Brazilian flag for the car. So, I'm here, mom, you know. I say, he's so patriotic. He thinks he's a rising star, you have a golden nugget and you can call him back. As a wild card. So, mom threw out some mangoes for fertilization and then the bees are like on it. Pretty cool. Alright, so I just pretty much got to where my mom has her bees. You can see them up there. I think they have about like 16 now, which is pretty impressive. So we're gonna get ready and then go give that a quick look. Good morning. Yeah, so mom made them honey. 750 milliliter, about like, they have a little bit of wax up at the top and some air, so they're gonna rebottle it. So it's all the way through clear, but yeah. It's a good look. Guys, them not stop laughing after my style pants. Style. I don't know. special ventilated kind of pants so I'm gonna go wearing this, so you see me? But we're here, just getting ready. Mommy has stuff her smoker. Mine good to go already, see it, eh? First time, well, the first time they showed me about beekeeping, she did looking at my hive, but I first, me are going off your hive. So, we about to do this, have some fun. Mommy like Bob the Builder.
Another claw.
Oh. So, it's a person that call me now. People, yo, whoever that thing get knocked. Yo, people always call me and tell me I'm going to hive, you know. People always call me when I'm going to hive. Any other time they don't know me. Alright. So, see some hives here. These are the splits for me?
Yes.
These are the new splits?
Some of them I don't remember.
Alright, so we're gonna look in this. So we just looked through the first hive just now, really quick. Pretty simple. Guys, I honestly can't even see if you guys are gonna be. Oh, I'm gonna put it up on this one. Up on top of this hive. Yeah, there's my mom. So okay, I'll give you guys a little look as to what we're doing. Normally you have to check the roof, make sure the queen isn't there. For me personally, I like coming and looking into other people's hives because it helps me to become more of a master beekeeper. I get to learn a lot more experience all the time. It's always good. I don't know what they put in the amigos, so me to put mine to one side.
To the end, yeah.
To one end. Okay, that day. You give that to me like.
What kind of sugar we go do? 1 to 1? Or 2 sugar to 1?
Normally to feed them, I normally do 2 water to 1 sugar.
No?
It don't matter, me just give anything you want, whichever one you feel.
Somebody gone with it. Or Marjorie make So which one need feeding?
This needs feeding.
No, when you finish, what you need feed up? The other one you need feeding?
You can't feed it. You can just get it over and done. Because it don't have a lot of feed. But generally, the rule of me here, people say 2 to 1 is more light, so it's more like a nectar. You feel like a nectar flow, so she will produce brood. I think.
But 2 to 1 as in what? 2 sugar?
Water. 2 water to 1 sugar. Weight. And then I think if it's 2 sugars and 1 water, that's more like a brood rearing. As in like comb building. So then I'm going to just use 1 to 1. So probably if you be safe, you can use a 1 to 1.
1 to 1, no.
Yeah. But to me, I give them whatever and then mine make them like, I didn't even measure. I just said, yeah.
Wow, so stay. Marjorie! Oh,
this need feeding, like you need it.
Marge! You have to go get the dry sugar now, eh?
No. Sugar and water.
Marjorie. Yeah, back. Some sugar. Two sugar to 1 water. The measurement. So whatever you're doing, give 2 sugar.
So why you mix all sugar feed?
Mm. 2 sugar. Yeah, whatever it is, you know what I mean. And I mean, I say, we never have no bag. No, give water. Give liquid. How much bag you have, Steven?
I don't have so much. I'm just saying, I probably have enough bags to feed us one side.
Huh? I mean, I remember, I'm asking.
Alright, so I'm going to pretty much finish up this stuff.
Huh? This one?
Huh?
What about the other one?
Okay, so I just come back home. She have some run. Babe, is that a rundown? It looks so weird.
Yeah, it tastes bad.
It
To me, you know what it though?
When we make rundown, it's a rundown. It's some stew chicken. This is not breakfast, but this is not like lunchtime. Alright guys, so we're pretty much about to leave out right now. We talk about the food they kind of weird still. The rundown with the okra and...
There was no running down.
I mean, it was unique, but it is... Yeah, I never did I run it there. Just taking them out, not like that. But I ate it though, some of it. So we're about to go to the hospital right now. Judah is a weak soldier.
I really am. I can't manage hospitals.
I can't manage hospitals either. But for those people out there, I know some persons out there might be weak and can't manage hospitals. I don't like it at all. But even the other day with Judah's mom, she wasn't feeling so well and she was in there for like a day. And I don't like it, but I went there, you know, just to show support. You see me? So we go there now and I go inside and go look for my grandmother. And you know, just go on with a little reason with her. And carry back her dirty clothes them and you see me? Them say, yo, once a man, twice a child. Figure it out.